ये सिर्फ कपड़े का टुकड़ा नहीं है, प्रशासन का मान है। खुशबू इसमें स्वाभिमान की हमेशा बनी ही रहती है। खाकी हमेशा निर्भीक रहती है। कोई वायरस या महामारी हो या हो सामाजिक सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी, हर पहलावार ये हमेशा खुद पर सहती है। खाकी हमेशा निर्भीक रहती है। रक्षाबंधन का वचन ये बखूबी निभाती है। बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत ये खुद कहलाती है। न्याय की गुहार में ये हमेशा आगे रहती है। खाकी हमेशा निर्भीक रहती है। निर्भीक खाकी को पाने की तैयारी में परीक्षा ऐप है आपके संग। आइए और बनिए उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस प्रशासन बल का स्वाभिमान।
Hello aspirants, Jai Hind. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss another very important topic for all of you, and a lot of questions are in this particular regard that I have got low marks in a particular phase of my life, be it 10th, 12th, graduation, post-graduation, or in a particular semester as well. So should I go for SSB or not? Would it impact my selection or not? तो सबसे पहले to begin this topic, I want to tell you all that if you have got an opportunity to appear in SSB, then the organization considers your marks are enough for you to be selected. So organization doesn't feels that they are going to be a barrier for your selection. Okay, तो अगर आपको SSB का कॉल लेटर मिला है, then be it Air Force, Army, Navy or any defense force establishment, that means that for them your marks aren't a barrier towards your selection. Okay, so if you have received a call letter, regardless of the fact what your marks are or what you think they are less or more, you must go there. Okay, as I've also mentioned in my previous video. उसके बाद, up to be very realistic about this, you need to ask yourself few questions. Okay, and you need to be honest with it, right? because you need to understand that देखो failures या hurdles, it comes in everyone's life, and the thing is that is not the issue that it has came or it has arrived and now you have fallen or something like that. That happens. What really matters is how you managed it and how you bounced back. Okay, so you need to ask yourself few questions, and first would be, why have you got less marks? Okay, you need to honestly answer this question to yourself, no one else. आपके कम मार्क्स क्यों आए? आपका ध्यान कहीं और चला गया, आप उस वक्त कुछ और कर रहे थे, वो आपकी लाइफ में एक अच्छा फेज़ नहीं था, आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ बढ़ गई थी, आपको कोई इंजरी हो गई, आपके साथ कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया, या कुछ भी है. ठीक है, बी रियलिस्टिक, बी ऑनेस्ट एंड फाइंड अ रीज़न दैट वाई यू हैव गॉट लेस मार्क्स. Once you have a reason, okay, once you have an issue, then first step is gone. You have identified the problem now. Okay, now let's move towards the second step, that is, what have you done for improvement? Okay, so honestly क्या करना चाहिए, जब हमारी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो हम उसके लिए सॉल्यूशन ढूंढते हैं, राइट? वो सॉल्यूशन जितना वायबल होगा उतनी जल्दी वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी, राइट? वो सॉल्यूशन जितना वायबल होगा वो ये दिखाएगा कि आप कितने अच्छे सोचते हो, आपकी अप्रोच लाइफ में कितनी अच्छी है. ठीक है, तो अगर आपके कम मार्क्स आए, ठीक है, 10th में, 12th में, ग्रेजुएशन में, लेकिन उसके बाद आपने क्या किया, एंड हाउ यू टुक इट. ओके, हाउ यू टुक दैट फेलियर इन द सेंस नहीं कि आप फेल ही हो गए. अगर कम मार्क्स आए और यू आर टारगेटिंग दैट मेरे 90% आने चाहिए थे एंड कम आ गए, तो टारगेट के हिसाब से दैट इज ऑल्सो फेलियर, राइट? सो फेलियर इज अ वेरी हार्श वर्ड एज इट सीम्स, बट फेलियर or criticism works sometimes more than compliments for people. Okay, so you need to understand that what you have done for improvement, and you need to answer it to yourself. If you've not done anything, you'll find the answer that I haven't done anything and I need to work upon it. Okay, so either way this particular question is going to benefit you. Okay, उसके बाद you need to think that has it worked, has the solution worked, or how is it going? It's in the process, and how are the results? Why I am telling you these questions, that how you taken your failure, and what was the reason to be honest with it, and how you overcame it, and what solutions you found it, and how you applied it to work upon that thing. Because these questions might be asked in your personal interview, and one of the most common question is that many people witness this, that from 10th to graduation their marks tend to decrease. Okay, so what is the reason behind it? These sort of questions are asked, and the answers differ from person to person. So I don't want to mug you up. Okay, मैं आपको कोई घुट्टी नहीं पिलाना चाहता. I don't want to brain wash you कि यही आंसर देना. I want you to be honest. और एक इंसान को जैसे किसी चीज़ को ट्रीट करना चाहिए वैसे करो आप. किसी डिजीज़ को कोई पर्टिकुलर स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर ही ट्रीट करता है. आपकी डिजीज़ को, आपके इशू को मैं ट्रीट नहीं कर सकता. मेरा सॉल्यूशन मेरे में चलेगा, मेरे नेचर पे, मेरे एटीट्यूड पे. ठीक है, वैसे ही एवरीबडी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटी एंड डिफरेंट थिंग्स वर्क फॉर देम. ओके, सो डोंट बी ब्रेन वॉश्ड बाय framed answer. You need to be honest, okay, realistic, and you need to be willing to improve. Okay, these three qualities make you a better person. Okay, and it will always work. उसके बाद आपको ये समझने की ज़रूरत है कि योर मार्क्स डोंट डिफाइन यू. ये बहुत लोगों ने कहते हुए आपने सुना भी होगा कि मार्क्स आपको डिफाइन नहीं करते, बट दे सर्टेनली हेल्प यू टू एनहांस योर क्रेडिबिलिटी, राइट. हाँ, इतना ज़रूर कर देते हैं कि यार कोई 90% लाया है, तो या कोई 90% 12th में लाया है, ग्रेजुएशन में 90 है, 85 80 है, 10th में भी 90 है, तो ये दिखाता है कि दैट पर्सन इज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग हार्ड, दैट पर्सन इज़ डेडिकेटेड, दैट पर्सन हैज़ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ फोकस. ये उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी बढ़ा रहा है, बट इट्स नॉट अ नेगेटिव पॉइंट फॉर यू. Okay, you need to take it positively. Yeah, it didn't work out for me, but maybe it will. Okay, I'll work upon myself. Okay, everybody is good in different things in life, so you need to take things positively and you need to bounce back. That's what really matters. Okay, so when the interviewing officer asks these questions, you should be prepared for them. The better you answer it, the more it will enhance your chances for selection. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन इनफैक्ट आपके लिए एक बूंद साबित हो सकता है. कैसे? आपके पास एक प्रॉब्लम आई और आपने उसका बहुत अच्छा सॉल्यूशन निकाला. सर हाँ, मैं मानता हूँ मेरा आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग एल्स इन माय कॉलेज लाइफ एंड दैट इम्पैक्टेड माय मार्क्स, बट लेटली आई हैव लर्न दैट हाउ टू बैलेंस थिंग्स इन लाइफ and how to set priorities, and ever since then my marks have improved significantly. I have worked upon myself and I am finding out all the positive effects of it. So that opened my eyes. That's how we translate a dim situation into a win-win situation. Okay, and that's how you should look at things in life as well. So after that I want to tell you one final thing, that it doesn't matter that you have failed. Okay, it doesn't matter, trust me. Everyone does, everyone has bad times, but all that matters is how you bounce back. Every time you fall, people fall. Okay, people fall many a times, but you should be willing to bounce back. If you tend to have that sort of attitude, you will always succeed, because success doesn't sometimes define a character of a person. The failures and how you take them and how you conquer them, that defines the strength of your character and your attitude and your approach towards life. Okay, and that's the thing that interviewing officer wants to hear, how you had conquered the failure that you have faced. Okay, ये लेके नहीं बैठ गए सर मेरे काम आ गए, आई डोंट नो, लेकिन मैं अब कर रहा हूँ. नहीं, आप कर रहे हो, but what? How you have approached it? Okay, so winner is the one who accepts failure, works upon them and conquers them. Okay, you are going to be a winner, I'm pretty sure, and I hope that this particular video sums up your understanding that marks जो हैं वो important नहीं है. अगर आपको कॉल लेटर SSB का आ गया है तो you are to be considered as a candidate, marks is not a barrier for you. Okay, you need to justify why they are less, and you need to justify it to yourself. Then you will be able to answer it to interviewing officer, or in fact in conference as well. Okay, so my best wishes to all of you. Jai Hind.